Another day, another trading day. It's already 9:11. Usually I try to be on the chart by 8:15. I'm just gonna put my screen. All right. All right, so I'm currently waiting for price to come back here for me to enter. I'm not trading all these instruments. I'm really just trading these two, and I have my eyes on these. So yeah, but really I'm just trading platinum and Ethereum. Ethereum on my smaller account because I'm trying to flip accounts for the first time just to try and see what I can do with Ethereum. And platinum is the commodity I trade mainly, I would say, on my main account. Price is going to the upside, so I'm looking for buys. And price, before I slept, I marked this fuel zone. I saw that price tapped it at 2 a.m. in the morning and bounced off of this fuel zone. So this is an indicator for me that price wants to keep going up. I'm just looking to see if price gives me an entry here on this zone, on this fuel zone. So we'll wait and see. So while I wait, usually what I do, I have my tablet here. I watch inspirational things, videos and stuff like that. I have my book that I'm reading at the moment, which is The Artist's Way, by Julia Cameron. So this is a book that I'm reading while I'm waiting for setups. And not to miss any setups, usually I put some alerts. As you can see, I've already calculated my risk and I know exactly what lot size I want to use, so that way I don't have a bunch of stuff to do once the alert goes off. And I feel like it's going very closer to my alert. I hope you guys can hear me. I have this little mic on my table. I don't know if I should have just attached it on me. I think I'm gonna attach. Okay, alert went off. So I think I'm gonna get ready to enter. So this trade, I took it on my smaller flip account. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so we're on the move. Price absolutely crushed to the upside. So technically, this is my goal, right? I'm looking at the 4 hour, and the fuel zone on the 4 hour is right there. So I'm just gonna see how price reacts and stuff like that before getting out of this trade. And I don't want to be scared of like any like pullback and stuff like that, because this is the game, right? Price is gonna push up, show a little bit of rejection. Do we have something here? Let's see on the 1 hour. Yeah, we have a little bit of rejection, but not on the 4 hour. So I'm not very worried about it too much. So yeah, price might come back to this zone for retest. We might be able to get more entries. So we'll see what we do. This is trade management right there. We manage as we see what's going on. You know what I mean? We have a plan in mind for sure. But like, yeah, I'm already at a 1 to 2, so I could close right there. But I don't want to close just to close. You know what I mean? So I'm going to see what we do. We reach 1 to 3 now. So I went on the lower time frame on the 1 minute. And if price crosses this here, I'm just going to close and wait maybe for the retest before coming back in this trade. It's looking good for now. You know what I mean? I feel like price is not going to do it. But, you know, as a safety, we put it there just to have like an exit strategy in mind. Price is looking pretty good. Mind you, I'm trading like a 400 account flip, and I'm at 50% of the account now, so I think it's a pretty good return if you ask me. Coming very close to our TP zone. And see what I'm doing? I'm not even scared when I see that price is pulling back, because price always pull back eventually. You know what I mean? You just have to have certain rules to not make you worry. All right, Nas, thank you. Not to worry when price does that. You know what I mean? So see what I did when I saw on the 1 minute that price was coming down. I identified my zone because I know price is gonna pull back to that zone. So I'm not scared. I'm not gonna get out of my trade right there. I'm gonna get out of my trade if price does cross here, not here. Price touching here is good news for me. You know what I mean? We kind of reached TP. So I'm out of the trade. So I flipped it and I made 75% of my account. I'm so happy. And I'm so happy with my broker right now. I trade with Axie for those who don't know. I'm going to put the link in the description for those who wants to trade with Axie. You have possibilities to like have great leverage, tight spreads, and all of that sort. So yeah, very happy with Axie right now, allowing me to do these flips. And Axie is regulated in Europe. I mean, what a good trade. This trade, guys, reached our TP zone to the T, guys, to the T. This is a fuel zone that I marked on the 4 minute, and it reached my TP to the T. I think price is going to go deeper in, but for now, we reached TP to the T, and this is what I want to see when I trade. I am not telling y'all to trade like I trade and using the risk that I use just because this is a $400 that I put in the account that I'm ready to lose anyway. I'm just testing the flip. I never flip accounts before, and I'm trying it just now with a strategy that I modeled for myself. So I wouldn't tell you guys to trade like I'm trading with the risk I'm using, because this is not the proper way to trade. You know what I mean? I'm just doing it because I'm testing out flips. I could very much lose that $400, and I'm okay with that, guys. It's just a challenge that I'm putting myself into with abnormal criterias. I just wanted to put that out there for the trader police. So I'm seeing that price is still going up, and I don't know, there's a part of me who's like, damn, I should have stayed in that trade. But then again, I'm so happy with my results, and the goal is to have a sustainable strategy that's gonna work either when price is going to your TP, either price is fusing way up, but I knew, like I told you before, I know that price is going to go deeper in, but I just wanted to secure my profits. So as you can see, this is where we exited right there when this candle was going down, and price just tapped in this fuel zone that I had identified before, and then kept going to the upside. You know what I mean? We're now at a 1 to 8, but I'm still happy with my 1 to 4. I'm very happy, guys. It's 75% of my account. My account was at $400, and I made $380. Okay, so a 1 to 4 minus the fees. So I'm pretty happy with my results. It's currently 10:15, so I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm still gonna look at my chart. Sometimes in the afternoon, I tend to see nice setups. So I'm still gonna look a little bit, put some alerts on my charts. That's pretty much it for today's live trading day.